14, verse 7 to 14. Jesus see all the guests them did that try to sit down near the head of the table. So him tell them that little story here. When somebody invite you to go on one wedding, no sit down in the best seat, cause they might have did invite somebody more special than you. The one we invite the two we come tell you say, give that man your seat. Shame will take you, and you will have to take the lowest seat. So when them invite you, take the lowest place. That way there, the somebody will invite you, we come say to you, friend, move up, but take one better place. Then you will get big up in front of the other guests them. Everybody will put themselves over other people. We get put on. But if you humble yourself, you will get big up. Then Jesus said to the somebody who invite him, say, when you give one lunch or one dinner, not invite your friend, brother, your family, or your rich neighbor them neither, cause they might invite you and pay you back. When you have one dinner, invite poor, cripple, lame, and blind people. Them can't pay you back. But you will get pay back when all of the dead them will do right come back alive. This is God's word. Thank God.